Education is expensive. We all know it, but there are always exceptions. And today I want to show you just how cheap education can be. I will do it with this guy. Education is expensive. We all know it, but there are always exceptions. And today I want to show you just how cheap education can be. I will do it with this guy. I am a student here at Jamia Dar-Ul-Uloom Mahmoodia and Islamic Public School, Sundal Dir, and today we are going to get rid of racial, linguistic and financial barriers, the way of getting quality education. And today we are going to go cheap. Where to cheap? As cheap as free. Not many people know this, but this school can be quite suitable for you if you make the right choice.
Where students from all across Pakistan join to live like a single family, irrespective of language, background and sect.
And the curriculum, outstanding, the best institute providing Islamic and modern education. قاعدة نازرة حفظ القرآن تجويد القرآن درس نظامي English and Arabic language from KG to middle classes and higher level Islamic education combined with extracurricular activities, football, volleyball, cricket and much more. Societies which instill the spirit of collaboration and teamwork. Diverse libraries providing more than enough food for the bookworms. Purpose-built auditorium for public speaking, expression of opinion and stage creativity, and their way of learning is unique. Something every parent longs for today. At the end of the day, quality education is expensive. All thing learning and education happens an environment compliant with our cultural, moral and religious values.
A few minutes before up this one, you are the big shot here.
Your mind focused and physically trained to serve your country and the Muslim Ummah as a whole.